Hello, this is Susan Kuhn, and I am here to welcome you to LinkedIn Unleashed. I'm so happy you're in the class, and I'm looking forward to what you are going to be able to accomplish with the materials we're going to cover. I have a few housekeeping announcements and one kind of overarching announcement, and then I'll be ready to dive in. On the housekeeping front, first, the class is going to be delivered on an e-learning platform called Ruzuku. That's spelled Ruzuku. And you will be receiving an email directly from Ruzuku to sign up. In fact, you already have received your email or you wouldn't be here. So that is your introduction to what I think is a really terrific platform. It may be of use to you in your own work, and I'd be happy to talk with you about my experience with it. I'm very bullish on the platform. What it will allow us to do is to communicate in lots of different ways. I can post a video, I can post a screenshot, I can post audio files, any media that would be helpful. So you'll have variety in the terms of what you're interacting with for the course. The course is very simple from the user point of view, to look at. There are sections that each have activities under them. So each section is like a class, and then the work is very clear, and you can check it off when you complete it. I would really appreciate it if you could do that and click the button that says you've completed that activity, because I will be watching everyone's progress through the class, and if I see people getting stuck, I want to be able to reach out and help you so that you can continue to move forward. Sometimes it's hard to make time for a self-paced class, and yet it's so simple and straightforward to work through this. I don't want you to be stuck for any reason if I can be helpful. And I guess the other thing is that we are going to move over to LinkedIn once we have the profile set up, and we'll be operating out of a group there. So I decided to wait on that and just focus on helping you get your profile set up and your contacts loaded before we add that additional piece of complexity. The other introductory thing I'd like to say is more conceptual. This is a course that I've been thinking about for quite some time. It occurred to me that LinkedIn really is an environment that has all the bells and whistles of a full-fledged online marketing campaign. So by learning LinkedIn, I have structured this class so that you're also learning all the concepts about the new online marketing that everyone is trying to figure out. And you're not just going to learn things, what search engine optimization means, or what having a list means, or what your brand is, but you're going to learn them in a container that's already built for you. So you're going to be able to see how these pieces relate. You will end up leaving this course not just with a wonderful LinkedIn profile, assuming that you follow through and do it, and not just with contacts and a strategy and a way to use LinkedIn, but you'll really be leaving equipped for the marketing environment that small professional services businesses are now facing. And you will be one of the small handful of people who've really figured this out. You will see ways that you can extend what you're doing on LinkedIn, should you choose, if you have goals that would require an additional, step out there. And unlike posting or posting on Facebook, tweeting, occasionally checking your contacts, you really have a robust perspective on how to make this work in your business. So I really take my hat off to you for taking this on. It's a challenge that most of your peers have not taken on, and I think you will be richly rewarded for having done so. So without further ado, let's get going. Thanks, and I'll see you online.